Unleash 40mm thunder on your airsoft opponents. Are you an airsoft? Discover the APS Thor, a compact grenade launcher that shoots 40mm grenades up to 100 feet. With a special trigger mechanism boosting efficiency by 150%, upgradable design, and a price tag of just $95, it's a must-have for any airsoft enthusiast. Lancehead Crossbow, a torsion crossbow breaking speed records. Meet the Lancehead Crossbow, a revolutionary torsion crossbow with patented micro limbs made of carbon steel. With a width of 3.9 inches, it achieves an arrow speed of 370 feet per second, faster than an F1 car. Priced at $2,500, this luxury package includes a quiver, arrows, adjustment kit, telescopic sight, and more. Pivot Folding Rifle, SHOT Show 2022's unconventional firearm. Check out the Pivot Folding Rifle, a unique weapon featured at SHOT Show 2022. Unlike traditional folding rifles, this one rotates 360 degrees in two parts. At just 21 inches long and 5 pounds, this 9mm caliber rifle accepts Glock magazines and offers a compact, versatile design for $1,795. Cabot Eggerling Bespoke, a $6,000 work of art and firepower. Indulge in the Cabot Eggerling Bespoke, a gun with a frame and bolt made of Damascus steel. Merging handcrafted artistry and cutting-edge technology, it comes with NFT tokens and a walnut box. Priced at $6,000, this masterpiece promises longevity and unique digital assets. MPA Rimfire, revolutionizing rifles with customization options. Explore MPA's Rimfire line, offering innovative bolt-action rifles. The Matrix Pro, priced at $3,400, boasts 6 grip options, 3 thumb rests, and a variety of customizable features. With quick barrel changes and cleverly adjustable buttstocks, it's hailed as one of the most revolutionary rifles on the market. Einhand Handgun, precision shooting from another dimension. Step into the future with the Einhand Handgun, a 9mm caliber, 2.8-pound marvel known for its accuracy. With a low ball axis, rigidly attached barrel, and isolated sights, it's perfect for shooting sports. The price may be otherworldly at $5,000, but its accuracy is worth the investment. CZ 457 Varmint. Transform your carbine into an accuracy beast. Upgrade your carbine with the CZ 457 Varmint, a visually pleasing design for medium and long-range hunting. Priced at $500 with a $400 upgrade kit, this customizable carbine receives rave reviews for its aesthetics, accuracy, and easy installation. Lignose Einhand 2A, a concealed carry marvel from the 20th century. Meet the Lignose Einhand 2A, a semi-automatic pistol ideal for concealed carry with a unique design. Weighing 1.1 pounds and priced at $500, this historical gem from the early 20th century continues to charm users with its clever design and portability. Panzer Arms BP 12, bullpup design for tactical firepower. Experience the Panzer Arms BP 12, a bullpup 12-gauge shotgun designed for maneuverability without compromising shooting speed. Priced at $520, this 8.4-pound shotgun is effective in close combat and compatible with both right-handed and left-handed shooters.